Anil Rajbhar lives in a traditional Indian extended family. At mealtime, 7 or 8 people eat together. The food goes fast. Rajbhar earns around $125 a month working as an electrician. He says his monthly food bill is double that figure. It's tough to feed the family, he says. I have to make compromises. Recognizing that millions go hungry every day and nearly half of its children under the age of 5 are malnourished, India passed a food security ordinance in July, one of the most ambitious food aid programs ever attempted. It guarantees very cheap food grains to almost 70% of India's 1.2 billion people. The food security bill has triggered a fierce debate in India. One side argues morally it's the right thing to do. Others say, economically speaking, India can't afford it. The government says food subsidies will cost around $25 billion annually, or around 0.8% of GDP. This economist says once you price in all the provisions of the bill, it will cost much more.
The cost could easily go up to another 0.5% of GDP. So you're looking at incremental cost of about 0.5%. The total cost would then be 1.5% of GDP, which is very large by any standard.
Particularly for an economy that slowed to a 10-year low, is fighting high inflation and has a massive fiscal deficit. The food will reach the poor via India's current public distribution system, notorious for leaks and corruption. That's another drain on the economy. Given the troubling economics, this columnist says the timing of the food bill is politically motivated. India holds its general elections next year.
The Congress government has realized that it needs something that would overwhelmingly tilt the rural votes in its favor. And there cannot be a more landmark scheme or legislation or ordinance, whatever you call it, than to provide cheap cereals at something like prices as petty as rupees 1, 2 and 3.
Rajbhar will be able to buy 1 kilogram of rice for less than a cent. At the moment, he pays 50 cents for it. It'll become so cheap, it will be really good for my family, he says. I really hope it happens. If it does happen, he tells us, the party that provides it will get his vote. Malika Kapoor, CNN, Mumbai.